guys, I'm Palak and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on a complete balcony makeover, and I'm sure many of you are living in rented houses and don't want to spend a lot of money into decorating your balconies because obviously you keep shifting from time to time. So I came up with all these very simple ideas that I did with all those items that were easily available at home. So practically I did not spend any money in doing this balcony DIY. So yeah, if you are interested to know more about it, then stay tuned and keep watching.
This is how my balcony looks before starting. Make sure you clean all the walls of the dirt and dust and then do anything on it. So let's begin, shall we? First up, take a black chart paper and make square cutouts out of it, just like this. Then start pasting it on the wall. This is how it looks after completion.
As you can see in the backdrop, I'm already done with my wall with the help of those chart paper cutouts that I had shown. Now to just add a bit of color to this wall, I'll prepare some wall hangings. So just let's see what we can do about it.
So I had all these shells lying around with me. I will color them in different acrylic colors and this is how it looks. Now take a string and start pasting them in series with the help of glue gun. Make 2 such hangings. You can also use pom-pom balls instead if you don't have shells. And this is what I got at the end. So for the second hanging,
so I had this raised cloth lying around with me, so I thought why not make a wall hanging out of this. So now what I'll do is I'll just fold it into half so that it becomes a little more thicker, and then I'll write some good quote on it. You can write anything you'd like. I'm writing just a little something here.
I will cut it in the shape of a scroll and stick the loose edges with Fevicol. Now I will take some acrylic color and a brush to overwrite my matter. Once that's done, take a cloth hanger and paint it with the color of your choice. Now I will take some wall hooks and put all my hangings on the wall. And this is how it looks. Pretty simple, right? Next, I will take some string and secure the waste glass bottles that were lying around with me with this string. I put some plants in it and hang them beautifully in the balcony. Add some more plants and greens and yay, my perfect and favorite place in the house is ready. I just love how I can spend hours together sitting here. And in the nights, this place can be a perfect setup for that candlelight dinner you always wanted to go for. Just put some fairy lights and it will work like magic. It's amazing to see how a simple balcony can be transformed to something so beautiful, and that too in a couple of hours.